So, I mean, with that, I mean, obviously you had dozens of achievements, right? You overcame a lot throughout your life. If you can select which will be the primary, largest, the most significant achievement to you to date?
There's a lot, and a lot all have the same things to me. I'm going to give you two if I can. One of them is the go big to get big principle. I think that's going to become a global movement, which is going to change a lot of the way businesses operate and business is done. I think we're just on the verge of seeing this come as a trend. So go big to get big, coming up with that principle, I think is one of my favorite accomplishments. Understanding that the bigger we went, the more we can give. We need to go big to get big. I'll never forget the moment that I came up with that word, because that was like, it hit me and it was like, boom, that's it. The second one is honestly just the influence I've had on my friends and family. To take real estate investing, convince one of my friends to buy a rental property with me that we've now made hundreds of thousands of dollars in equity in. We've made, tens of thousands of dollars in cash flow, which we've used to fund our lives. He's now gone on to buy another rental property with his dad and helped basically fund his retirement. At 30 years old, he's basically financially free at mid 30s, and he just works Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. He's nothing. He's not an entrepreneur. That's moments like that. And my parents, helping them sell their house, pull the equity out, invest in real estate, start making cash flow, and start building their retirement differently than they've been able to do before, is another one of my favorite accomplishments, because they would have never gotten out of the rat race, and they would have to work until they're 70 or later to get to retirement. At their ages of 55, I was able to start helping them recognize that they weren't going to be able to retire and start living a different life. And it came from a lot of work, 6 years of grinding them. But finally, they're investing in real estate and building their own retirement, which is going to help them speed up their retirement and live a lot more comfortably. So that's another accomplishment that I'm very, very proud of, is not just how much money I'm making, but the people around me that I'm influencing to do the same things with.
Wow, wow.